Hey Wildcats, it is time for level 4. All right, let's get into this. So level 4 is country location, maps, and weather. All right, so again, each level is going to kind of build off the one previously, getting us further in to this CYOC project, okay? All right, so again, step 1 is always research. So go ahead and click on that document, open it up. All right, this research is just a little bit longer. We tried to kind of edit it down as much as we could, but we still felt like this was a good review of 2 different topics. All right, maps and weather/meteorology, which you'll get once we get into the level. Okay, so the first section is all about maps. I've included the kind of basic 3 maps that you're going to need to know for this level. So just review those. Then this next part might be some new information for you guys, but we took out from a huge article, we took out some pieces that we really felt would help you guys, because in this level you're going to create something specific. So we put in this reading about meteorology, okay, kind of a background real quick of meteorology, kind of what it looks like on a global scale, and then meteorology today. All right, so again, just you're going to read through, you're going to annotate. All right, as you read through this document, we want you to read the whole thing, guys. Okay, so make sure that you annotate the entire thing. All right, that doesn't mean highlight everything, that just means annotate. Okay, then you're going to take a live link to this document again, and you're going to submit it here. Remember, we need to view the whole document. Okay, all right, then you're going to get into this level. I'm hoping that this level is a little bit more creative and fun for you guys. I know that this is Rose, this is one of my favorite levels of the whole project. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to pick your country location. All right, now you guys need to think back to your climate zones, all right, and your landforms, all right, because if you pick a location that doesn't make sense with those, then you're going to have to redo the whole level. Okay, so think back. If you need to go back and read it, go read your level 3, but you're going to think about those climate zones, and you're going to pick a location, all right, on this map of the world that fits those climate zones and landforms for your island, okay? And you're going to drag this red dot, okay, to wherever you think it needs to go, all right? And it cannot be on top of an existing island, okay? So it does have to be in a new space, okay? And then you're just going to describe it. So using those relative locations. So for example, you could say it's east of South America, slightly southwest of Brazil in the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so that would be a relative location, all right, depending on if that's where your island is, okay? Then you're going to justify it. So this is where you're going to say, I picked this location because, and I would reference those climate zones and landforms and say, because our climate zones can be found in this location, all right? I know this based off of, and tell me why, okay? So why did you pick where your country goes? And this is really going to have to be a good justification, all right, because we're going to be going back and looking at those climate zones to see if your country would really fit here, okay? Step 3, now you guys are going to create some maps and some local weather, okay? So map number 1, all right, this is going to be your country map, okay? You're going to, on a blank piece of paper or in a digital space somehow, all right, we're going to need a few things. You're going to create the shape of your country, so like draw your island. You need to place all of your landforms, and you need to make sure that you label them. So I'm going to go back to your research for just a second. So like make sure you have a key or a legend, all right? Most maps do, okay? You're going to need to create one for this map that you're creating, all right? So we know where everything is, okay? So you're going to place all your landforms there with their names. You're going to create a key and a legend to have those in there. Then you're going to place your capital city, and you're going to need to name it, and a few other major cities, okay? Some of you guys talked about like states in your, when you guys were talking about your flags way back in level 2, some of you guys mentioned that you were going to have different states. This is where you guys are going to need to like map those out, okay? This should be professional, polished, and in color, okay? And then you're going to put a picture of your map here, okay? And it does need to be big enough to where we can analyze it, all right? So if we can't view your map, we're going to like not grade your level, and we're going to give it back to you. We're going to say, we need you to like make this a bigger map, okay? Then your second map, okay, It's still going to be the shape of your island. All right. So as you create the shape of your island, if you just want to like duplicate it, that would be great. You're going to still have the shape of your island. But on this one, you're going to put your climate zones. All right. So you're going to kind of tell us like where on your island your different climate zones are going to go. And you're going to put in 3 weather systems. All right. And Miss Nicola has put them the options here. So you just need to choose 3 of these. All right. To put and draw them on your map as well. Okay. So that's your second map. Then the third like creation piece, okay, for this level is you guys are going to either write or film a quick news report of the weather on for one of your cities. Okay, so you'll need to reference the name of the city, okay, and you're going to need to talk about the weather or a quick news report, okay, about that city. All right, it's all explained right here. Again, if you have questions, we have those live Zoom meetings. We also have an email available for you guys. And then you're going to paste either your written news report, okay, or the link to your video here, okay? So this one, if you guys notice, this level doesn't have an actual like analysis writing piece. So what we're going to do for those grades is we're going to look at your justification here of where you put your country. And then during this, for this writing or news piece, this is where we're going to draw that writing grade from. Okay, so just kind of know that as we go through. Okay, I know this was a kind of a short video, guys. I hope that all makes sense. Again, we have your checklist here. It's very specific. Make sure that you guys are reading in detail. There's been some people who have missed some points on previous levels because they didn't actually, oh, I'm just doing it, and they didn't read the actual description. Okay, so make sure that you guys read all the pieces, go back, double check things. Then make sure you submit a link that people can comment on and submit that into Schoology. Okay. All right, guys, let us know if you have any questions. I can't wait to see all of your maps, all right, and what creative things you've done for this level because this is a fun one.